Welcome to the Funeral Program site. We're here to help you create meaningful, heartfelt tributes with ease and care. When designing a funeral program cover, every detail matters, and even small design touches can make a beautiful difference. One simple technique that adds warmth and elegance is creating soft, feathered edges around a photo. This effect allows a loved one's portrait to blend naturally into the design without harsh borders, creating a gentle and polished presentation. To create this effect in Photoshop, begin by opening your photo. Next, select the shape you want to use. In this case, we're using an oval. Create a mask and copy the selection to a new layer. Set your foreground color to black, then choose a brush with very soft edges and a larger brush size. Gently brush around the edges of the photo, gradually softening them until you achieve the desired feathered look. Take your time, as subtle fades create the most natural and elegant result. Once completed, save the photo as a PNG file with a transparent background to preserve the soft edging. Then insert your finished softened edge photo into our funeral program template cover for a perfect presentation. If you're not familiar with Photoshop or don't have the software installed on your computer, you can also use a variety of phone apps to achieve a similar look, or take advantage of our done-for-you photo edging service. For more helpful design tips, memorial inspiration, and step-by-step tutorials, subscribe to our channel and let the Funeral Program site help you create a meaningful tribute with ease and care.